Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Corner Brook, local, and long distance movers near me. When it's time to move, you need a cheap Corner Brook moving company. 3 Movers offers complete local and long distance moving services to make your move simple and easy. We offer all the right services to make it easier for you to move across the country or just down the road. Our team can help you no matter what type of move you're trying to handle. When you book a long distance move with us, you get access to the following: packing services, moving supplies, an on time move, and upfront pricing. You get the right team of movers when you choose us for your local or long distance move. Our team will make sure to get you a convenient move that saves you time. Whether you're moving 100 miles away or 2,000 miles, we provide the right services for you. A Canada moving company will help make your move simple. When you hire movers, you might wonder if it's worth the cost. However, once you realize how much time and energy you will save, you will see the benefits. 3 Movers will make your local move very easy. We handle any local move very fast compared to how fast you could do it yourself. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Corner Brook moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.